Hi and welcome to DataHub. I'm Bardia and today we're diving into the exciting world of creating user interfaces in Python using Tkinter library. If you're eager to learn how to create graphical programs that users will enjoy, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore the basics of Tkinter and learn how to create a simple yet effective UI with this powerful library. From creating windows to adding buttons and text inputs, we'll cover it all. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create your first graphical application. So why should we learn Tkinter? Well, according to surveys, about 60% of Python programmers use Tkinter to create user interfaces because it's simple, practical, and of course free. How can it help you? Tkinter allows you to create graphical apps without needing any design experience. It helps you bring your projects to life quickly. Before we begin, if you find videos like this helpful, please like and subscribe. Let's start with the first step in learning Tkinter. First, we need to import Tkinter and also TTK from the Tkinter library. TTK provides more advanced features. Now let's create the main window, which is essentially the skeleton of our app. To do this, we use the TK module, which as you can see above is short for Tkinter. Next, we set a title for the window. If we're in the project now, it doesn't display the window because it closes immediately. To keep it open, we use the main loop method. As you can see, the window is created. Now we can add other elements like labels. Here's how we add a label. A label is a widget that can display text or images on the window. We can also specify a font for it. Using the pack method, we add it to the window and provide vertical padding with the patty argument. Now let's run it. And you can see the text with some padding. Next, let's add a button. We'll use the TTK for this one. Root is our window, the text for the button, some padding, and then run it. Now you can see the button and the text. And as you can see here, when we click on the button, a message appears in the console. Now, let's create an entry input field. The entry widget allows the user to input a line of text. We'll add some padding to this one as well. And there you have it, an input field where you can type text. Okay, so far we've learned how to create the main window, set a title, and add labels, buttons, and input fields. But this is just a fraction of what Tkinter can do. In upcoming videos, we'll cover advanced features that Tkinter offers so we can create an awesome user interface. Alright, that's it for today. If this video is helpful and you want to learn more about this subject, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next videos.